Hey, have you ever thought about how AI is totally transforming affiliate marketing for beginners? It's like opening a whole new world of opportunities.
I was just wondering about that. So how exactly is AI making it easier for newbies to jump into affiliate marketing?
Well, AI is simplifying tasks like niche research and content creation.
Mm-hmm.
It's like having a personal assistant who handles the heavy lifting while you focus on strategy.
That's fascinating. But doesn't
Yeah,
relying on AI take away from learning the basics?
actually, it enhances learning. AI tools provide insights that help beginners understand market trends more quickly. They
Right.
accelerate the learning curve.
I see your point. So what are
Exactly.
some top AI affiliate programs that newcomers should consider?
Definitely check out CustomGPT.ai. They offer up to 20% recurring commissions for 2 full years.
Wow,
Plus, they provide extensive marketing resources.
that sounds impressive.
It
What
is.
about other programs like Jasper or Surfer SEO?
Jasper's affiliate program is great too. Their AI powered content creation tools let you produce professional content without prior expertise. It's a huge time
Right.
saver.
And Surfer SEO helps optimize content for search rankings, correct?
Exactly. Surfer SEO uses AI to fine tune your content so it ranks higher on search engines.
Mm-hmm.
It's crucial for driving organic traffic.
But do you think beginners can handle these AI tools without feeling overwhelmed?
Well, these platforms are designed with user friendly interfaces. They
Okay,
also offer tutorials to get you up to speed quickly.
that's reassuring.
Yeah,
What about commission structures? How important are they in choosing a program?
commission structures are vital. Recurring commissions, like those from CustomGPT.ai, provide sustainable long term
Right,
earnings. It's better than one time payouts.
that makes sense. And cookie
Exactly.
duration plays a role too, doesn't it?
Absolutely. Longer cookie durations, like 60 days, increase your chances of earning from delayed purchases. It
Mm-hmm.
maximizes your earning potential.
Some argue that focusing too much on commissions could make you overlook the importance of support and resources.
That's a fair point. Comprehensive support, like onboarding resources and responsive affiliate managers, is crucial for beginners.
Yeah,
It can make or break your success.
glad you agree.
Absolutely.
So, any advanced strategies for maximizing earnings you'd recommend?
Leveraging micro influencers can be effective. Also,
Interesting.
using AI driven predictive analytics helps anticipate customer needs.
That's smart. But wouldn't collaborating with micro influencers require a big budget?
Not necessarily. Micro influencers often have high engagement rates with niche audiences. It's
Ah, I
about
see.
quality over quantity.
Makes sense.
Exactly.
So AI really levels the playing field for beginners in affiliate marketing?
You've got it. It's revolutionizing the industry, making it more accessible than ever.
Yeah.
Now's the perfect time to dive in.